I'm Reverend Prince Matthew Bissah from the Love Assembly located in Adenta, Accra. And I'm blessed to share my testimony and invite you to the Synergy Ministers Conference 2025 with Bishop Isaac Oti-Boateng. There are many testimonies, but I will just narrow it to grace. I will say that by the grace of God, I have received grace by the grace of God. I realize that by being connected, by listening, by counsel, I see practically the grace of raising leaders from our ministry. Bishop shared a testimony that his problem is that everybody wants to become a leader. And by the grace of God, I can testify that majority, I'll say 50% of our church are leaders by the grace of God.
That is the gospel. The gospel is grace. Unmerited favor. Unmerited blessings. You don't merit it. So there's nothing you can do to merit it. We only have all these things just because of Jesus Christ. If you change it, if you change that message, you have destroyed everything.
When I met Bishop, we were meeting in a rented place. Even this rented place was a shared venue actually. But Bishop encouraged us to get a rented place we own the keys to. And through his instructions and direction, I have one place, so the place is too small. And through his instruction, we changed it and got a bigger and much more expensive place. And by God's grace, we were able to pay for the place, move there. We outgrew the place in 2 years. And by the grace of God, we are on our land now that we are about to build to the glory of God. And if you are watching me, I believe that your story will not be so far from mine. God has prepared blessings for you. God has prepared direction for you. God has prepared the impartation of the grace of God for you. So I encourage you not to miss this year's Synergy Ministers Conference. As I've shared this testimony, I know it will be yours by making time to be available for this year's Synergy Ministers Conference from Wednesday 25th June to Friday 27th June. Each day 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Love Economy Thesaurus-HQ, Accra. See you there. Bye-bye.